Hi. What? Hi, Tanner. Hi. Really? Tell me more. Hi. Oh, yeah? They're sleepy. They're sleepy. They just got a good belly full of milk. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hello. Are you stuck on the towel? Tanner likes to be on the camera. Yes, he does. He likes to be on camera. Tanner likes his belly rubbed. Yeah. What is that for? Oh, he's playing with... He sees her feet under the towel and he's trying to play. Easy, girl. Look at you. Hi. Tanner wants to play. He's chewing on my camera strap. We can't do that. No. No, Tanner. We can't do that. He's feeling feisty. He's licking me now. He's not hurting me. He's just trying to play. Yes, he's trying to play. You guys gonna snuggle together and build a cat pile? Is your little sister under there? Sister? Brother? That's the boy. That's the boy. Yeah. Hi. Huh? You can't go that far. Go fall down. Stay over here. Okay? Are you sleeping too? Yeah, she's sleeping. Hi. These two are competing of King of the Mountain. Yeah. Aren't you cute? Yes, you are. What, Tanner? What is it, Tanner? Hi. Really? He's starting to climb up me. So is she. She's snuggle with your brother and sisters. We had to get some little identification collars for them so that I can tell them apart. I'm back to hand feeding these guys at least twice a day, and I can't tell them apart when I'm feeding them. I can't tell who's been fed and who hasn't. When I have someone here to help me, much easier because we just go in shifts. I'll have my daughter bring me 2 of them and she'll take care of 2 in the floor, make sure they don't get lost, and then I'll switch her out and she'll bring me the other 2 so that I can keep track of who I fed and who I haven't fed, and that also helps me keep track of how much the kittens are eating. But I was still having a hard time even when I had their help. And when I didn't have their help, when they were at school or asleep, or my husband's at work or asleep, and I had to feed them alone, I couldn't tell them apart. It makes it really hard. We got these cute little bands on them, and they're velcroed around, and I made sure that the sticky part of the velcro, it doesn't get attached to their fur at all. So that's Twinkles. That's mama of the litter of 8. She's kind of freaking out right now. She wants out. She's weaning, which is, she wants to get away from her babies for a while, but I don't know if that's going to happen. There are 3 cats in this pile. There's 1 butt, 2 butts, 3 butts. You can't see their heads, so. Hi, Tanner. Hi. Hi. You see, the girl wants to venture too. Yes. Yeah, she's going a little crazy in there. She's trying to go crazy. You are trying to go far, far away. Stay up here with me. Stay here. You taking to China? Foster Mommy's belly doesn't go to China. Unless it's a buffet. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. He's all riled up. He wants to play. I'll put him in the floor, and one of our younger kittens, they're not kittens anymore, they're big boys. One of our younger cats will play with him for a little while. I think that his little foster sister over there would probably play with him because she doesn't seem to be settling down. She's going a little further each time she's going down my leg on the blanket. And I have my legs up on my little footrest thing, so that's why the box is there, trying to keep them up and keep them safe so they don't fall through the hole. Yeah, do you hear that, Mama? Do you hear the Mama? I think as soon as my kids finish their laundry, I might try to let the other ones out, bigger kittens. Oh, hi, Tanner. I try to let the big kittens out for a little while. They're crazy though. I'm really kind of nervous to let them out because they will divide and conquer. I mean, I know they're one of them escaped the bars the other day before we fixed the front of the cage. The wider bars they could fit through, and I tell you what, he ran through the house like a streaker on a ball field. I mean, he was on a mission. It was like he knew he was going to get caught, so he was just running as fast as he can. You know, like you see the streakers do every now and then at a baseball game, and like run out on the baseball field streaking, and the security people are running after him. The streaker just keeps like running as fast as he can. Yeah, that's kind of how that little guy was out of the big litter the other day. And oh my goodness. Excuse my mess. We're doing laundry. That is Fluffy. Fluffy, get down. I can't believe she's not grumping at him. Yeah, our mama is being really good with that situation. I cannot. That's the first time anyone's done that.
Well, tell Twinkle that Fluffy is really nice when she gets to meet him. Well, know him.
I'm speechless. Fluffy Bud is a climber. He loves jumping up high, getting on high things. But still, I can't believe he did that. I can't believe she's letting him do that. She's a good girl. She's real friendly. And the only time she gets cranky is she's trying to wean the babies, so when they all come and climb on her and try to nurse, she's starting to kind of growl and grump at them a little bit, just kind of warning them off. But she doesn't seem to mind Fluffy being up there at all, so we'll see how that goes. These babies, they want to get down and play, so I'm going to turn the camera off and get down the floor with them. Yeah. Hi, Tanner. Okay. Say bye-bye. Foster mommy out.